Your local Honda dealer's traffic center.
Yeah, one clears up and the other one shows up. This one is on 101 northbound. Just as you approach Moffett Boulevard, that's where you're going to see the brake lights. The crash is being reported right around Shoreline Boulevard before you get to Old Middlefield Way. Now, it didn't make it over to the right-hand shoulder, and at least one car is partially blocking the right lane, so that's the reason why you have very slow there. I did mention the other one, and that's on 85 southbound coming off of 101 just as you pass Shoreline Boulevard on that connector ramp. That has been cleared. All lanes are open, so traffic is looking really good through Mountain View all the way to Cupertino. And we should have some slowing in San Jose as well. This is on 101 northbound from right around Yerba Buena Road to about Tully Road. There was an earlier brush fire. Looks like the fire is now under control. It's on the right-hand shoulder, but fire crews are blocking the right lane between Capitol Expressway and Tully Road. Once you get past that, the rest of your ride is looking really good as you continue all the way to 880 and 880 from there northbound. Looking like a very smooth ride all the way through Milpitas and into Fremont. Your next traffic update at 11:08 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Sunny and nice around the Bay Area. Finally cooler inland. We are looking at 60s at the beaches, 70s around the central part of the bay, and only into the 80s inland. The winds will pick up this afternoon near the water, and then we are looking at clouds rolling in later this afternoon. We wake up to drizzle at the coast. Gray skies tomorrow morning. Traffic and weather together on the 8th and all news 1069 and AM 740. KCBS, where it is Friday, July 26th. Coming up.
I'm Mike Wald. The arson-sparked park fire continues to burn out of control across 2 Northern California counties.
It is maddening.
This is Matt Bigler. The controversial police policy that Governor Newsom wants Oakland to change to catch more criminals.
When you need to know, KCBS AM, KFRC FM, and HD1, San Francisco, Oakland, San Jose, and Odyssey Station. 11 o'clock.
It's CBS News on the Hour, sponsored by Dr. Marty's Nature's Blend Dog Food.
I'm Stacey Lynn. We begin in Paris with the Olympic opening ceremonies underway. CBS's Wendy Gillette is there talking with fans still waiting to get in.
There's a little bit of chaos outside the gates to enter the opening ceremony with little direction and crowds getting feisty when fans try to cut the massive line. Jackson Hamilton from Houston is waiting.
It's been a little chaotic. A lot of people seem to want to cut.
Rob Brennan lives in Raleigh. How long have you been waiting in line?
We've been waiting in line about an hour.
And are you impatient or are you okay with it?
A little impatient, I'd say. I was hoping to get in a little quicker than that.
But they won't miss it all. The opening ceremony will be almost 4 hours long.
And that chaos has only been compounded when an arsonist hit several high-speed rail lines in France as athletes and spectators were trying to get to the games. Wildfires out west are causing smoky conditions across the country. Weather Channel meteorologist Stephanie Abrams.
That smoke is due to 270 wildfires burning more than 2.6 million acres across the U.S.
CBS's Natalie Brand with details on a big meeting in Florida.
Former President Donald Trump met with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu at Mar-a-Lago, their first face-to-face talks in nearly 4 years.
We've had a good relationship. I was very good to Israel, better than any president's ever been.
It comes a day after Netanyahu visited the White House, meeting separately with President Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris.
Let's get the deal done so we can get a ceasefire to end the war.
Vice President Harris picking up a key endorsement today from the Obamas. Notorious Mexican drug lord El Mayo had his first court appearance this morning and pleaded not guilty. He's being held without bond. The leader of the Sinaloa cartel was arrested yesterday in El Paso, Texas, after evading authorities for decades. The son of his former partner, El Chapo, was also detained. New inflation data out today shows a moderate rise in prices last month. Business reported raising what this may mean for interest rates.
The report on its own won't likely be enough to compel the Fed to lower interest rates at next week's meeting. When added to other economic readings, including slowing labor market signals, Wall Street remains highly confident that the central bank will start cutting rates in September.
And Deadpool and Wolverine set a new Thursday night record for an R-rated movie.
Talk about what's haunting you, or should we wait for a third act flashback?
Out of a comic book flick sold in estimated $38.5 million movie tickets from
back out.
screenings
Can't even
alone.
turn properly.
There's a rally on Wall Street this afternoon. The Dow is up 705 points. This is CBS News.
Dr. Marty's Nature's Blend is freeze-dried dog food. Save up to 54% off your first order, plus a free bag of cod crispies. They're wild-caught hot skin treats. Text dogs to 511-511. Tip fees will apply.
11:03 at the Bay Area's news station, KCBS. Cooler temperatures today, much more comfortable inland. Good morning, I'm Holly Kwan. Thanks for being here. Here's what's going on. The park fire burning across Butte and Tehama counties nearly quadrupled in size over the last 24 hours to more than 164,000 acres and still no containment. KCBS's Mike DeWald tells us the blaze has even sent up multiple fire tornadoes.
More than 1,100 firefighters now battling this arson-sparked fire, which CAL FIRE says is threatening more than 4,000 structures.
It is maddening that we're here again.
Butte County Sheriff Corey Dean, who says evacuation orders are focused on towns that share some of the same access challenges as Paradise, like the town of Cohasset.
Everyone who lives in Butte County and is familiar with that location knows that there is really only one way out, and that